All right, guys. So today we are going to be looking through Sketch My Way Through It during reading strategy in ninth grade. We are ninth graders today. So, what is a Sketch My Way Through It? Students will basically draw pictures of the ideas associated with what they're reading. It's a way for students to break down the concepts of an article. Really simple way. You just like them sketching out images just helps them kind of think about what they're reading and how to imagine what they're reading instead of just reading it and going over the information. So, important thing, I'd say one of the most important things to remember while sketching is artistic ability does not matter, okay? It's perfectly fine if your pictures aren't completely perfect, and it's important to emphasize this for your students because otherwise they're going to take a long time trying to put all these details on their images, and it's not that important. It's just so that they can get a basis of the idea, right? Okay, we're going to do this example together. So while we read this example, and I encourage you to do an example with your class as well. So for this one, you're gonna, I'm gonna use my pointer here just so I can show you guys what I'm doing. You're gonna read the sentences and then draw a picture with it. So photosynthesis is a process plants use to make their own food. And then I'd maybe draw a plant and a food or a pizza or something like that. You know what I'm saying? They take in sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil to produce sugar and oxygen. So for that, I'd maybe draw a sun, a cloud, which doesn't directly lead to carbon dioxide, but it also gives them an idea of what it would look like because it's invisible, right? And then maybe a water droplet, and then an arrow over, and so let's just do this then. Let's just do this right now. So we're gonna do for this, we're gonna draw a little plant, okay? And then maybe like a piece of pizza. Okay? That's our image. It's that's what it looks like. It doesn't need to look perfect. So then for this one, maybe do a sun. Okay, this is kind of, and you'll do this with your class in real time. So you do a sun, dot, 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 and then maybe an arrow. I do a sun, cloud, water, and then put, let's just do H2O. Or nope, that wouldn't be H2O actually, but it would be like plus H2O gives us sugar and oxygen. You get what I'm saying? And then this process helps plants grow and also gives animals and humans the oxygen they need to breathe. And maybe I draw a dog here, a happy dog, and a happy person. Okay? That's about as good as the images need to be on these guys, like really simple stuff. Okay, so next, you're gonna give the instructions. So read through the article about transformations, give them checkpoints of when they need to draw a picture. Okay, so read the article. You can read it with them, you can have them read it. Stop at every section to sketch out what you're thinking about while reading, and I will clarify what you need by each section. So like for the transformations article, I will have them stop after every header or every subtitle in the text and draw a little something. Once everyone's wrapped up, bring it together and say, okay guys, you're going to talk with your tables about what you drew, why you drew it, and then let them have time to discuss with each other, and then you can bring it together. Or you can just go straight to class discussion. You can be like, all right, what did everyone write for this one? But for the sake of a structure in the classroom. We're going to break it into tables and then go into the class after that. And that